Hi everybody, today I wanted to review this 8-inch plasma ball, and it's made by Theefun. And I actually very much like it. I think the video doesn't quite give it a good representation of how it looks like in real life, but this thing is quite amazing. Like, I'm not sure, how does it do this, that your entire hand is like that? So I always wanted one of these, and I to be honest, it actually it not exceeded my expectation, but this is what I expected, and it actually meets it. It meets my expectation. It's bright enough. This is now, there's light. There's a lot of light here, so it might look dim on the camera, but it looks fine in person, and it's just mesmerizing. I'm going to show you some slow motion here in a second, and you'll see how beautiful it is. So it comes with this type of adapter. It connects to the back here, and then you got a switch on the side that you can turn on, off, or have it work when you talk. So whenever you talk or whenever you peek, it will kind of start the plasma ball. So I don't know. The one with the sound is kind of, to me, it's kind of useless. But the one that works continuously is just really, really nice. So you could play with it. You can make dual arcs here. It's just super amazing. It's fascinating. So this is the 8-inch ball, and they do make a 10-inch one. I'll link in the description. But the 8, in fact, they have the entire line of all sizes. I think the 8-inch is probably the best bang for the money, because it's in the sub $30, and once you go that extra 2-inch for the 10-inch, the biggest one, it pretty much doubles or even a little more. But just beautifully designed, and this has been working for about a week now. I do turn it off at night, and I just turn it on when I want to kind of look at it and play with it. And it's pretty cool. Anyway, that was my quick review for the Theefun plasma ball. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you enjoyed this video, please thumb up, subscribe, put in your comments. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.